4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition, liftoff. Go Starlink to the Falcon, Spaceport at Canaveral launch.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Engine shut down.
Stage separation confirmed.
And there is stage separation and second engine start. You can see that second engine on your right screen glowing bright red.
Stage 1
Stage 2
making
is
its
under
way.
terminal guidance.
Stage 1, landing leg
All
deploy.
And yes! We have another landing. This is the 4th landing of this vehicle and the 48th Falcon 9 first stage landing to date.
And there was our quick SES-2 followed by SECO-2.
There we go. That's all 60 of those Starlink satellites on their merry way. It's a beautiful sight. Just to give you guys an update on the fairing, we didn't catch it this time. We got really close, but we're going to keep on trying again and give you more updates as that continues. And with that, that brings our web class to a close.